Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some nails on and today we're getting ready. I'm going to my 30th birthday dinner tonight and I thought I would do a get ready with me because bitch, I'm 30. I've done my brows. I used, where is it? Browluxe in Carbon or Coal, and then I tied them up with some of the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm literally about to just go in with some powder and just set my eyelids so I can go in with some eyeshadow. So I thought I would do this. If you hear some noise, Brandon is making me my cake, so you might hear a blender going, but I ain't gonna stop him. So I originally wanted to do, I have like this cute like hair pony situation thing. I'll insert photos so you guys can see. A lot of hair, a lot of filler in my hair. This is all just hair filler. And this is, I followed a tutorial that Sammy Sweetheart from Jersey Shore. If you go on her profile, go to her hairstylist on her, like when she was like having a wedding or something, go to her hairstylist, and her hairstylist has the tutorial on her Instagram page. I forget her name right now. I wanted to do like a baby blue eye moment, but I think I'm gonna leave that for Saturday for a party. So I think I might do like a nice like mauve, like very Bailey moment today. I just feel like for my 30th birthday, I feel like that seems about right. So for that, I'm gonna be using the IT Cosmetics, what is this called? I literally haven't done makeup in so long. Naturally Pretty palette. Wow, I actually forgot what this was called. The reason I'm grabbing this is because I love All Heart, Soulful. I just love these colors, and this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start with Soulful. It's like more of a pinky instead of a mauve, and we're just going to throw this in the crease, and we're just gonna create a look here. I'm not going for anything like over the top spectacular, just, you know, Bailey looking like a fly kind of guy, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm 30. How am I even 30? I don't even know. Like, it's so wild. I was like looking at this balloon and it literally has like 30 on it. It's in the living room and I'm like, what the heck? What is happening? It was really crazy when it was like 10 years out of high school, but now that it's like 12 years out of high school, it's like, what? Like, it's so wild. Like, it's wild. So I put that all in my crease, and I'm gonna go in with All Heart, which is my favorite color. And I'm gonna kind of put that in the same spot, but a little bit down, more in my crease, not so blown out. You know the drill. On the outer third of my eye. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm not in the mood for eyeliner. I also got these press-on nails from Aliexpress as well. Aliexpress is my best friend these days. And then I'm gonna switch my brush. This brush is actually quite large. I'm just gonna go to, this is a Morphe brush. It's rubbed off. It's kind of like a MAC 227. Just a finer blending brush. It has pink on it. I'm gonna go into Java and just pop that right on the outer third of my eye. I kind of want to do a cut crease now that I'm feeling this. Oh my god, should we do a cut crease? I mean, we're pretty much already there. Is that what we should do? I have no idea. I can like see my, I haven't done makeup in so long, and it's so funny that I can see like my wrinkles from the blend. It's not smooth there, which is so funny. My doctor I got Botox from literally DM'd me like 2 days ago. It was like, need anything yet? Yes, I do. A whole facelift, thank you. A whole freaking facelift, for real. How depressing. But there's nothing I can do about my saggy eyes. Nothing I can do. Do I want to do a cut crease? Yeah, I mean, we're already here. Okay, so for that, I already have this, this concealer is so thick though. I like to do a cut crease with a little bit of a thinner concealer. This concealer is quite thick in consistency, and I find it sometimes hard to pull over. I'm gonna use the Infallible Full Wear. I also have some lip injection on my lip. Oh my god, I haven't done a cut crease in so long. It's so crazy that like I haven't been like doing much makeup. It's like insane, because that's been my life. Okay, here we go. Oh Lord, help me. Ooh, well, there we go. It's kind of like riding a horse. You just like get back up on it. Okay. I mean, not terrible. Not great. Good, not great. I also, this is so funny. I tweeted Trisha Paytas to unblock me today. I said, it's my birthday. Can you unblock me? I don't think she's gonna unblock me, which is so funny, but that's okay. She doesn't have to unblock me, but it's literally so funny. For anyone who doesn't know, I'm blocked. And I don't think I'll ever get unblocked, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I mean, has anyone seen her OnlyFans? Because I have, and I am definitely, she's like, she posted a video saying it's like admission into a strip club, and we're definitely paying admission into her, whatever she wants to call it. If she wants to call it a strip club, if she wants to call it admission, I'm definitely paying for that. I want this to be a neutral eye. I mean, not neutral, blah. I want it to be a matte eye. I don't want there to be too much shimmer on this, I don't think. So I'm just gonna put a matte shadow on top of this. There's nothing on this brush right now. I'm just kind of like patting out the concealer so it's not super wet, just because it'll crease if that's the case. And I'm just going to grab from this palette, I guess Sheer Joy, but is this super sheer? It is, but that's okay. So I'm gonna grab Sheer Joy from up here and pop that right on top. This mirror's so far away. I think I need glasses. I'm 30 and I need glasses. Yeah, there we go. That's just mattifying it. That's what I want. It's quite light. Should I add something on top of that? You know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of this Love. Just like, kind of like a very muted pink. It's like my skin tone. Just right on top. Yeah, so if you want to tweet Trish to unblock me, like, please get her to unblock me. I would love that. Should I even talk about why I'm blocked? I guess I could. I don't want to make my 30th birthday about her, but I'm blocked, it's fine. I'm just like literally just like going back and forth with color and like blending and whatnot. I don't know, I feel like I've done this look before. And my cat is at my door wanting in. Boy! Oh my god. I don't know what has happened, but something from this, what is this called? I keep forgetting the name. The lip injection. It's like irritating my mouth. I have nothing to wipe this with. Oh no. My mouth. I mean, you only live once. You only turn 31. So I'm going to be taking the Heavy Metal by Urban Decay in ACDC. This is quite a cool tone glitter. It's like very silver. Like very silver. It's not my favorite glitter. I like the actual silver one from this line, but this is the one I have here because I have the other one in my kit. While that's drying, I'm just gonna jump right into concealer. I'm gonna come back to the eyes, but my eyes, because that alcohol in there, they always get a little bit irritated. So I'm gonna start off with concealer. And, oh, this, you know what, this can, no, this is fine. L'Oreal Infallible, I really do love this concealer. I really, really do. It's one of the best ones. And I am going to cut this off over here. This looks so bad. I also forgot to prime my face, so I'm going to put a little bit of this Hydra Beauty Flash by Chanel. It's just a perfecting balm. I'm just going to throw some of this on my skin where I don't have concealer, I suppose. and kind of work around that. I guess I could just blend the concealer back on top of it. Oh my god, I'm just doing this ass backwards. I'm a professional. But I need to prime my skin with something and I completely forgot. I think I got caught up in my, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. There we go. I'll just blend the concealer by hand too. There we go. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Reboot. I was about to say Reboost. It's Reboot. Brightening, smooth, firms, hydrates, evens out, the whole works. And this was a little bit too pink on me in the winter, but I think it might be better now. Oh my god, I just need to cover up this happening around my mouth. That's why you have to keep the lip injection within your lip line. Because if you get any out, it just flares up. Imagine it's like an expired lip injection or something. Oh my goodness. It's not, but I'm just sensitive. Can someone in the comments below give me some suggestions for some powders that they really like? Like, I open my powder drawer and I just feel like I've had the same powders for years, and I always just purchase the same powders like this one, and I'm just like trying to get rid of things and use them up, but it's like I feel like they never end. So can someone please fill me in and let me know what their favorite powder is, like if it's a new thing or something, or if I'm like missing the mark. I use the Maybelline Fit Me a lot. I use the Derma Blend powder a lot. This one, Kat Von D, Laura Mercier. But is there like something else I should be using? I'm not interested in HD powders. I don't need to be HD in real life. Only for you guys on here. Anyway, let me know because I'm so curious. I need to know the tea. What's the new tea? Okay, so you know what? I'm just gonna finish my face at this point, and I'm like almost running out of time, which is my own fault because I sat on the couch and like did nothing for a really long time. So I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Sculpting Kit in the shade number 2, which is nice and cool tone. I always use this. This is nothing new. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of shape to my face. Nothing crazy because I have my hair up, and well, look at that. I just added a crazy amount, even though I just said I just wasn't going to. This hair was actually so like challenging to do on your own. Like adding hair filler in your own hair is just like, it's a task that I wish upon no one. It's just hard. It's so much easier to do it on other people, but when I don't have people to do it for me, I have to do it myself. My Too Faced blush. This one is How Deep Is Your Love? The Love Blushes. These are so cute. This is old though. This is like, how old is this? Like from 20, it's old. I'm using an old product right now, but it is what it is. I feel like it's a powder, it's fine. And I'm putting it on myself, right? It's okay if I'm putting it on myself. I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of blush, nothing crazy, because I want this to be neutral, nothing wild. And you know what? I'm just gonna throw on my highlight right now too, which I'm gonna be using Cookie from Benefit. I just want to eat cake so badly. I just want dinner. I'm so hungry. This morning I ate I don't know what it's called. It's like a Reese's bar, like a chocolate bar, but it has like Reese's like pieces in it. I have no idea what it is, but I was at Superstore because I was getting a nasal spray for my allergies, and I was like, I'm 30, I'm gonna eat a chocolate bar for breakfast. That's what I'm doing. So that's what I did. I bought a chocolate bar and I ate it for breakfast. Except it was at like, I woke up at like noon today because I was like, I'm 30, I'm sleeping in. Everything is, I'm this, I'm that, I'm doing this, I'm doing that because I'm 30. Everything is an excuse because I'm 30, which is so funny. Gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, wow, gorge. Here's the tea. I'm not interested per se in putting liquid liner on, so I'm going to take Twice Baked by Urban Decay. I just have all this stuff sitting here, and I'm just going to do my tight line and waterline for my lashes. Oh my god, that went on really thick down there. Okay, well, that's what we're doing now, so great. Also, remember the time I wasn't going to put on a lot of eyeliner? I just got so carried away with myself. I couldn't help it. So, my eyes are full of eyeliner, which I should have just done black then, but that's okay. And I'm just using some of the Fenty. I'm just using everything that I had out already It's just like creating a different look. I mean, that's useful though, right? Showing you guys you can do different things with the same products. I'm running out of time. I hate being rushed, and I had it all day, and like now I'm rushed. I'm just like, ugh. I hate being rushed. I really dilly-dallied, so it's my own fault, isn't it? I'm kind of wishing I did a baby blue eye now, but I'm just so indecisive. Okay, and the lashes I'm going to use are the same Aliexpress lashes as well that I got. I'll try and link them down below if they're in my purchase history, which they will be. If I'm not too lazy, then I'll link them, okay? Because I need to buy more of them, actually. I want to buy more. So I will link them. I will try to link them. They're just so beautiful and like fluffy and gorgeous and really well made, and they're not cheap, and the band isn't stiff and hard. There's a load of cat hair in them right now, but they're nice lashes for how much they are. They seriously feel like a velour lash, to be completely honest with you, which I wouldn't be surprised if it literally is the same thing, you know? And I'm just using the Kiss Lash Adhesive, which is also my favorite just because I love Kiss lashes and they're so nice to me, and they always send me stuff and send me nails and the whole works. Kiss is a really great brand. I love them. They sent me Christmas cookies, which was really sweet this year. No, it's not a highlight anymore. But yeah, they sent me a box of like all these Christmas things, and there was little mini Christmas cookies. There was like a little milk and a little gift and a little Santa. It was really sweet. I miss PR. Like the cute little, like, yeah, getting makeup for free is like cool and like fun. And like, I love it. Don't get me wrong, but I always love seeing like how creative the brand is, you know? Like, I always think that's the funnest part. And just like that, like I always say, she's a beauty queen. She is a beauty queen. The movie scene. Oh, I love these lashes, you guys. They're so pretty. And last but not least, for my lip, I decided I'm going to use a Maybelline Superstay matte ink in the shade Lover. It is number 15. It is called Lover. I kind of wanted to do a nude, but I thought, you know what? Let's do a pink. Why not? I look like a little doll, so why not? Alright, and there we go, you guys. That is me getting ready for my 30th birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna go have a cocktail, I'm gonna go have some dinner, I'm gonna go enjoy some tres leches cake. Oh, I love this highlight. I feel like I could put more on though. And yeah, we'll see you when I'm actually 30. Well, I am now, but you know, when I've lived a day as my 30th. Anyway, love you guys. Bye. Please, for the love of God, it's the end of the day. Cut it. Oh, thank God. Oh, there's another one down there.
Oh yeah, there it is.